S'mores here, and today's quick fix video is talking about how we can use COUNTIF inside of Excel, but more specifically talking about how we could use it for meeting attendance or follow-ups. Tracking meeting attendance shouldn't take all morning. In this quick fix, I'll show you how to build an attendance tracker that updates itself using COUNTIF, so you always know who showed up, who missed multiple meetings, and who needs a follow-up, without scanning columns or doing the math by yourself. Let me show you how. So using this data set, we're going to use COUNTIF and IF to fill in these different columns for meetings attended, meetings missed, and if a follow-up is needed. I'm going to click here in F2. I'm going to go to the Formulas tab, and under More Functions, Statistical, I'm going to find COUNTIF. My range will be the current dates that we have. And for this column, I want only the times that they attended, so they were present. So I will put present inside of quotes, therefore allowing it to search, and I will hit OK. So I can see that Alex Morgan was present for 3 of the meetings. Next, I will repeat that process, but instead of saying present, I will say absent. This time I'm just going to type it in my cell, $COUNTIF. Open parentheses. Once again, select these 4 cells, and then I will type my criteria as absent and click OK. So now I have the different meetings attended and meetings missed. What about if they miss more than 2 meetings? If they miss more than 2, then we will need a follow-up with them. And this is when we can use that if function. In the H2 cell, I'm going to go to logical and choose if, and my logical test is going to be if their meetings missed is greater than 2, then it needs a follow-up. So if it's true, I will say yes, it needs a follow-up, and if it's false, no, it does not need a follow-up. I click OK, and I can see that Alex only missed 1, so therefore he does not need a follow-up. Jordan missed 3, so she will need a follow-up. I could even take this a step further and add some conditional formatting to highlight whenever the text contains yes for it to be read. And there you have it. You can have a self-updating attendance. With COUNTIF, do the counting, you'll always have instant answers for leadership and never have to track absences manually again. Remember, small change, quick fix, big wins.